Let's make a glass crown in about 20 minutes. First thing you're going to need is some black cardboard. I just got regular cardboard. I painted it with black paint. Doesn't have to be fancy paint, it can be kids paint. And then you want to get an elastic band and you're going to hot glue that onto the rest of the cardboard. Now for the next part you're going to want DVDs, CDs, anything like that. These are all old DVDs that were broken and got replaced, but I saved the DVDs for this because what you're going to do is cut them up into little shards. Now what I found when I cut them up is that kitchen scissors, unless they're very strong, don't tend to handle this very well. You try and cut the DVD and it kind of shatters into these little square shards, and you want it to cut into these long spikes. So ideally, if you can, try and use a pair of garden snips. I found that they handle it a little bit better. Now I've got these great big massive garden shears because I grow a lot of our own food and I use these a lot, but they are great for cutting things like CDs. So you want to try and focus the longer shards at the top, and then the further you go down, try and make them a little bit more compact, a little bit shorter, so that there's very subtle gradient going down. This whole process should take you about 15 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. And even just this part, it looks amazing. In the sunlight, it's just so shimmery. And in the dark, especially because all of those little shards point in different directions, it just catches the light no matter what you do. Now the next part is optional, but I wanted to make the bottom almost look like it was either molten or dripping. So I'm going to be using some gold foil, which is a combination of silver and gold. And then we're going to take the hot glue again. And what I'm going to do is have the longer strip right in the center. I've got quite a big forehead. I have a lot of real estate space to work with, so I am going to work with it today. I'm going to add that bigger drip in the middle of my forehead, and then as it goes out, they go slightly shorter and shorter and shorter. But the key is, as soon as you're finished, quickly dabble on that foil. The cooler it gets, the less it's going to stick. And then to try and make it all tie in quite nicely, what you want to do is try and pull that foil up in between the little pieces of cut CD. You can use the hot glue to either stick it down, or when you're brushing everything away, get a paintbrush and try and press that into the gaps. All the leftover foil which ended up on the table, I'm going to brush away and reuse it, because you know I'm going to reuse this on something else. And then that's pretty much it. You're done. All you have to do is stick it on your head and figure out what way you want to wear it. As it is, I'm not even sure what look I want to use this for. I was planning on using it for one of the Roman gods, but now I'm not so sure. We'll see.